Hey foodies! Ever needed a dessert fix in literally minutes? Today, we're making viral 3-ingredient chocolate peanut butter date bites that are almost too good to be true. First, grab some juicy Medjool dates. We're going to carefully slice them open and fill each one with a generous dollop of creamy peanut butter. This creates that perfect sweet and savory combo. Next up, our chocolate. Pop your favorite chocolate chips into the microwave for 30-second bursts, stirring until it's perfectly smooth and glossy. Watch that magic happen. Now for the fun part. Dip each peanut butter-filled date into the warm, melted chocolate, coating it completely. Make sure every inch is covered for that ultimate chocolatey bliss. Place them on parchment paper. For an extra touch, a tiny sprinkle of sea salt really elevates the flavors. Pop them into the fridge for just 15 minutes to set, and voila! Your no-bake 3-ingredient dessert is ready. Seriously, these are an absolute game changer. So easy, so quick, and incredibly delicious. You have to try this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more speedy recipes.